Good morning. Here's where we left off yesterday. So I'm gonna pull this out and grind out that spot that I needed to get real quick and throw it back in and try to get this motor mounted before James gets home. And we are obviously in hover mode, which is bitchin'. This should be how the car looks when it's in the air. I mean, I think I might have a little bit more in the back, but we'll see. Looking pretty good. It's about as high as Justin's car sits when it's just sitting on the ground. But I don't want a 4x4. I want a slow car. Anyways, I'm gonna get after it.
Gears that just keep grinding, dreaming about that dry lake bed instead. I gotta give my transaxle to John at Transaxle Engineering. John, can you please fix my transmission? Can you hear me? I just wanna be able to pass Justin on that dry lake bed. Oh, please make my fourth gear bigger so I can finally run him down instead. Justin's got that smug little smile every time he walks by my stall. Says, you sure that he's gonna catch me? I just laugh, but it burns like alcohol. I don't need a trophy or a ribbon, just one clean pull where I ain't dead last. Feel that shutter turn to a whisper, watch that boy fade in my glass. I gotta give my transaxle to John at Transaxle Engineering.
So it's in there. I'm happy with that. I realized I forgot something. I gotta pull that thing back out again. I need to cut this tube out of here because you see it's just in the way of the CV. And it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but I feel like the boot, it'll probably wear out the boot if the boot starts to just graze that. So I don't want it there. James is talking about making it go and just maybe just turning a little bit and going like right here. But, you know, like coming like that. But, yeah, I gotta pull it out. And I am a little concerned about that right there. Like that's really close to that brake line. And I'm gonna loosen my shift linkage and just push it back there and see how it looks with it connected. I can just loosen it here and just send it back and see what it does. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Transaxle Engineering. John, can you please fix my transmission? Can you hear me? I just wanna be able to pass Justin on that dry lake bed. Oh, please make my fourth gear bigger. Yeah, please make my fourth gear bigger so I can finally run them down instead.
All right, those are cut out. I gotta clean up all this metal here, but wow, you can see the crack all the way through underneath the tube where the tube was. That's impressive. Well, it's not gonna happen anymore because we got these tubes in here now. So anyways, well, I did a bunch of work. I cut these tubes out here. Those are gone, cleaned up all that tubing. I'm gonna have to weld up these cracks and stuff. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. And I moved that tab over a little bit and I pointed it down to help kind of alleviate the shift linkage from hitting it or hitting all this stuff here. So yeah, hopefully that fixes that. I'm about to put my Tepon grill cart away, and if I have time, no, I don't have time. I was gonna throw the transmission in, but I'll do that tomorrow morning. we got dinner plans tonight, so I got to get ready. Anyways, peace out, y'all.